In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discount a product on Gumroad. By the end, you'll know how to create a discount code and optionally have it apply automatically to one of your products, so customers see the savings right away at checkout. First, sign into your Gumroad account and head to your dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns the product you want to discount. Having a product already set up will make this process smooth. On the left-hand menu, select Checkout. This is where all discount-related settings live. You'll manage the codes here and then link them to your products in a moment. On the checkout page, click New Discount. This starts the process of creating a fresh discount code that customers can use. You'll be prompted to enter the discount name, the code, and the amount. The name is mainly for your internal organization. Choose something descriptive so you can recognize it later. The code is what customers will type at checkout, so make it short, memorable, and easy to share. The amount controls how much to take off the price. Depending on your setup, you can choose a percentage or a fixed amount. Double check spelling and numbers here, since this is what your customers will use. When everything looks good, click Add Discount to save. Your new discount is now created and ready to use across your Gumroad products. Next, go to Products and open an existing product that you want to discount. This lets you fine-tune how the discount behaves for that specific item. Inside the product settings, locate the option to automatically apply a discount code and toggle it on. Turning this on means your customers won't have to remember or manually enter a code for this product. The discount will be applied for them during checkout, reducing friction and helping conversions. With the toggle on, select the discount you just created from the drop-down. If you have multiple discounts, choose the one that matches your promotion. This links that specific code to this product's checkout experience. From here on, your discount code is active. Customers who enter the code at checkout will see the price adjust immediately. And for the product where you enabled automatic application, the discount will be applied for them without any extra steps. That's it. You've created a discount, saved it, connected it to a product, and set it to apply automatically if you want. Use clear names, simple codes, and amounts that align with your promotion, and you'll have a smooth professional discounting experience on Gumroad.